Alright, so we're going to work on the off-leash recall now, you guys. This is for everybody at home. I'm letting it drag the leash around, and I'm setting things up. I'm gearing the dog towards success. I'm going to call it when its back is directly turned so that I can, whatever I have to do to get its attention. It can't just stand there. Then is not the time to just stand there and not have any, body English. And you've got to really enunciate your command. Let's see if he'll go back over there and start barking. Petey! Petey! Good! Good boy! Wonderful! 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 Woo! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Really what the dog's saying to itself, because, these dogs don't know me. Really want the dog saying it to itself. Who is she? Who is this? Good. We're very enthusiastic and excited. We've got the really good treats. So I'm going to cause it to happen again. Okay, so he sees this little companion over there. Petey! Petey! Good! 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 The bigger picture of you guys is we are force training them for the recall, but in their mind, we're force training them to come so we can feed them. So this to them is nothing terrible. That's why they're running so fast. It's not possible to get fast recalls and stuff without utilizing food drive or some kind of retrieve drive or something. The other kind of recall where the dog kind of just walks up to him and sits. Petey! Petey! Good! 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 So yes, Petey is, I forgot what kind he is, but anyway, he's doing awesome, girl. More updates soon.